Yo, Alonzo, back again. Look, Alonzo, no pegs. What happened to my foot pegs, man? Somebody must have took them off. What's up with this? That foot peg is not even connected. What happened, Alonzo? What's going on here? Everything's missing. What's up with that? We gotta fix this, Alonzo. We gotta get this thing back together. It wants to ride. It really does. But it will. It will ride soon. I'm getting there. I'm trying to clean it up. See all that dirt? Now I gotta power wash that. As I was cleaning it, it had the tank on the top. I couldn't get in there. Couldn't power wash the dirt. I cleaned the pipe though. It's shiny. I still have to clean all that. Still, I did this part here. Looks pretty nice, but I just have to get all that off. See, got a little ding on the bracket. Dent on the wheel. Couple little dings on the wheels. A little bend. I think we're gonna need some new wheels, Alonzo. I really think so. But yeah, it's getting there. Got tire plugs in here. What's up with that, Alonzo? Tire plugs. 2 plugs here. Must be a one ply or a 2 ply tire. Whole shot. Definitely shot. They still got some tread left. They're not totally shot. Trying to see what the tire size is. There it is, right here. Let's take a look. (20 by 11-8). So you got an 8-inch back wheel. And then you got a good old 10-inch front wheel. 21 by 7-10 on the front. So that's your tire size, Alonzo. Help a brother out, Alonzo. Give me some new tires, Alonzo. Peace and hair grease.